Welcome to the Quickvee POS version 6.0. In this update, we're excited to introduce the all-new Pay screen, designed to make transactions faster and more efficient for your business. Let's walk through how it works. Start by logging into the POS system with your PIN. From the main menu, select the register icon located in the top left corner. This is where all sales transactions will be processed. Once in the register screen, scan or search for the items you want to ring up. All items will appear in the sales summary on the right. After you've added all the items to the cart, click the blue pay bar at the bottom of the screen to proceed to the Pay screen. Now you're on the Pay screen, where payments are processed. Let's take a closer look at the available payment methods. To accept a cash payment, simply select Cash. If the customer gives you an amount higher than the total, tap the box at the top showing the total. Enter the amount they gave you, and press Cash. The system will calculate the change due and display it on the screen. For example, this customer gives me $100 for a $60.88 transaction. The system shows $39.12 as change. If the customer is paying by card, select credit card or debit card. The system will prompt the terminal to accept payment securely. For split payments, start by tapping the box showing the total amount. It's always best to take cash first, in case you have to process any refunds if the customer does not have the necessary funds. Once the cash amount is entered, select Cash, and the system will update the remaining balance. For example, this customer paid $30 in cash, leaving $30.88 as the remaining balance to be processed by credit or debit cards. To complete the transaction, select credit card or debit card for the remaining balance, and process the payment. Once the payment is complete, you can provide the customer with a printed receipt, email it, or simply choose no receipt. And that's how the Pay screen works in Quickvee POS version 6.0. This update is designed to streamline your payment process, making every transaction faster and easier. Thank you for choosing Quickvee.